Hello, it's me again. Right, more on InColors. So I've got my card and I've literally just taken delivery of my blends. So I thought we would have a look at how well the blends go with the card. So I'm just opening them up so that you can see that they are brand new. They were out of stock when we were first allowed to order, or rather I say out of stock. They hadn't arrived in Europe when pre-order opened, and now they're in stock. So all good stuff. Gosh, those are quite different coloured caps. Okay, so I'm going to keep in the colours, whoops, I'm going to keep in the order in which they appear here. So I'm going to start on my Whisper White, which I've got on top of a piece of the scrap paper. I'm just going to take my colours, and so this is dark. If you can have dark pale papaya, that's dark pale papaya, and light pale papaya. That's those, and then we go dark polished pink. Now these do dry slightly different shades. So that's dark, this is light. There's a very much more definite difference, you get what I mean, between those two. Then Evening Evergreen, and I will be bringing the colours in so that you can see how true they are once we've got to the point where they are dry, because the alcohol does need to lift off a little bit. So that's the light Evening Evergreen, dark soft succulent. Ooh, that's nice, next to the light Evening Evergreen. Light soft succulent. And finally, dark fresh freesia. And light fresh freesia. So these two are very much closer. So the two ends are much closer together in their tones, and then the others you've got a much more definite difference. But let's have a look. So if you want a true pale papaya, then I think you're going dark. But a really nice, ooh, you can't see it all the way up there, can you? Ah, okay, let's come down a bit. Have I zoomed in? I've zoomed in, that's why. Right, so dark pale papaya is definitely pale papaya. Fresh freesia, no, not fresh freesia, polished pink. Again, I think the dark is probably the closest. Then Evening Evergreen, yes, definitely the dark. Doesn't always come as the dark. So for this one, I would say actually it's a mix of the two. For soft succulent. And then for fresh freesia, again, I think it's a mix of the two. Possibly the lighter is a truer colour than the darker. But yeah, I think those are jolly good matches. Hurrah! I hope you found that helpful. Actually, what I will also bring in, if I can grab them quickly, which means I won't be able to. No, can't find them quickly enough. I was going to... Oh, no, I can. Here we go. So let's bring in the markers as well, and I'll do that with this strip. So let's bring in the markers. And I'll just go in an order. So this is soft succulent, fresh freesia, Evening Evergreen, Polished Pink, and Pale Papaya. Oh, that's quite orange. Again, they've got to dry. So, Soft Succulent, very nice. Fresh Freesia, absolutely ping on. Evening Evergreen, yep, happy with Evening Evergreen. Polished Pink, definitely. And Pale Papaya, surprisingly, it does match. Excellent. And I thought that looked too orange, but no, it goes. Brilliant. Thank you very much indeed for joining me today. If you've found that helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Do remember to subscribe, which is in the bottom right hand corner. And if you want to know when I go live, which I do at least 3 times a week, then hit that alert bell so you get an email to let you know that I've gone live. Thank you very much indeed. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.